This is your no BS guide to building out dynamic product blocks in the backend of Klaviyo specifically. This is ideally for flows and campaigns. Now, a few reasons why you want this is number one, to show personalized product suggestions. Number two, show people what they abandon in the cart and completely reiterate that in every campaign you send them, plus multitude of functionality. I'm going to jump straight into the backend. I don't want to waste your time. All right, so first thing you want to do is open up the Klaviyo backend. And what you want to do is you're going to navigate to the sidebar and you want to click on content and you're going to click on products. What it's going to do is it's going to bring up a bunch of different feeds, right? And if you want to create a completely unique feed where it shows specific things, then you can come over here, click on product feed, and you're going to go and create feed. And for example, here's one of the use cases. You want to send flows and continuous emails to people showing them specifically products that they were interested in and they add it to their cart. So what we're going to do is personalized cart. All right, we'll just call it that. And what you're going to do is you're going to go over here and you can make it personalized per customer. So you're just going to go here, click on products a customer has added to cart. And if the customer has limited history, what should they show? And you want to ideally show best sellers, right? You don't want to show them anything random. Over the last 90 days is ideal. Now, a great thing is to filter out any products. So for example, a lot of brands that we work with have shipping protection. You don't want to continuously show them shipping protection. It is a dumb thing to continuously repopulate, and so many brands don't know or underutilize this functionality. So what you can do is you can make sure that category excludes any of, and then you can choose shipping, for example, right? And we don't have this for this brand, but you can go ahead and set that up. And so you can start showing them personalized cart abandonment, and you can save that. Another great functionality is just generally showing very specific products. So let's just say that you are currently running ads and majority of your traffic and your winning ad traffic is coming in and they are specifically viewing your sleep gummies, but you want to cross-sell them or you want to specifically show your best sellers of sleep gummies. What you can do is you can go ahead and change the display. This also works great for a post-purchase flow. Another idea is that you can build out a post-purchase flow and in there you specifically only show them the best sellers that are the highest, or you don't even have to show them best sellers. You specifically want to show them personalized products that are the highest milligram in that flow. So it simplifies everything. So let's just say high milligram. Perfect. And what we're going to do is we want to show products a customer may also like based on their purchase history. So we can really change it up. But for this one, we want to specifically show them best sellers over the last 90 days. And we want to make sure that they're not over a specific price, for example. But we want to show them products where the category includes any of, and let's just say that we specifically want to show them our best sellers. So for example, this one, all right? And now it's only going to show categories or products within that specific category, right? So you can see how specific this use case is. And so we're going to save that. And what I want to do is I want to show you an example of how it will look. Let's go build an example campaign. Test campaign, single, and just make sure that that is selected. Cool. And so I chose omnichannel, so that's why it's bringing up that. And we're just going to change it to, let's just say test. Let's just do this. All right. Cool. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add the email and we're going to build it out super simply. So we're going to go and create. Cool. So it's going to populate this and essentially we're just going to delete all the branding and everything. And the way you're going to do it is you're just going to drag and drop this product category. Now, the difference between static is it chooses what exactly you're showing. So you actually have to go manually choose which products you want to show, which is fine. But dynamic is always more powerful. And now your populated feed should show. And so now you can go and actually show them specifically the products that they took a look at. And so now if we could go preview and test this, it will show me the products that I have previously added to my cart. And let's just say that we want to, see some other profiles. You can go ahead, see some other profiles, but it is as simple as that. So adding dynamic product blocks, adding static product blocks, it all starts before actually creating the campaign. go ahead, create the product feed, and you can go and build it out. Now, this functionality, I think, is most beneficial using the cart abandonment and actually showing people what they might like based on what they took a look at. You have to understand that Klaviyo has so much data on your audience, they will know how to build it out best. So it's going to be the best case for you to go and rely on them showing different things. So you can go do that. You can also go create different categories. You can search different categories, etc., etc. But the best use case is the product feed. Hopefully that was helpful. Super simple. Didn't want to waste your time. If you want a team though, and you want to just rely on a team to come in and do all of this thinking for you, build out the strategy, build out the flows and the campaigns to utilize these feeds, then go down below, book in a call. I would love for my team to have a conversation with you. But if not, then go down below and subscribe. I'm doing a ton more of these videos. I give a ton of value around email marketing, and I've been doing this for the past 8 years for hundreds and hundreds of brands. So go down below and subscribe if you want to stay up to date on all things Klaviyo and email marketing in general. But with that being said, that's it.